Okay, whatever. Yeah, we got you the what's that called?
Very sweet shop.
Oh yeah, whatever. They have an elephant and so cute. We're gonna get some milk tea. So yeah, let's go. Wow, look at these ladies.
It's so sexy. I'm just kidding. Don't put that in. I'm just kidding. You
Every
can.
single
Who
time,
cares? Who
every
cares?
single time when she do something weird and I don't know, and then she always told me, it's like, hey, you better not put that in it. And it's like, you know what? I will do it.
Oh, whatever. Who cares?
But yeah, we got to the coffee shop. I mean, milk tea. Y'all, welcome to a closed motion. So we got a milk tea and then
I crap ton of pictures whenever I was
wow,
take my first
that
step
looks so wonderful. Oh my god, you should definitely post. So this is the milk tea. It's pretty huge because they are big size. And so the reason we got milk tea because it's almost 2021, and then we've been national for like a month, a week. Like 2 months, yeah. So we've been national for like 2 months, and I still didn't get a milk tea. First time on national. It's Nashville, right?
Yeah, Nashville.
Nashville. I mean, how do you say that?
Nashville.
Nashville.
There you go.
The reason that we got it because we have time to get it, so we just like, okay, you know what? Let's get some milk tea. Milk tea, oh my god, it's so good. It doesn't matter like how sweet is it. They like a milk. They just like have a special taste, so I'm so glad I bought the milk tea. Keep dancing something. Stop drinking it. Okay, let's say bye. Guys, this is my. Who are you again? Who are you?
I'm her older aunt, Margaret.
Well, you know, like, oh, are you older than my mom?
Yes.
Wow, so let's go ahead to walk.
Okay.
With who's this again? Reese PC, yes. We're going some.
I'm a star.
Wow, you're so smart.
Here comes all the comments. Reese is so into herself. Like this. I'm gonna be Stop looking at it.
You're fine, Reese.
I'm gonna be the first one to die.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I will. Are you filming? Oh my god.
But good thing I put that on the block. But
I'm not afraid of dogs, but that one is scary.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys my night routine. But first, thanks to Cambly for sponsoring this video. Cambly is global online English learning platform with all students in the world. So the most important part of learning language is speaking it. So Cambly is great for anyone who is working on their English. Every tutor is a native English speaker. It is really fun and is easy to use, and the teacher is nice and patient. Use my discount code Penny2021 for the 15-minute free trial to the one-on-one lesson. Check out Cambly and the link in the description box.